as of right now, so magla-live na kami at exactly 12 noon time, guys. So probably link to give a post, yes, and I hope you guys could follow us on Shopee social media platform, guys. So by raise me, guys, Dre at nag-transform na siya. So happy transformer man. Jor, happy Pride man everybody, and you're good to go. So tara. So this is our live, guys.
Okay, sa ating fan. Okay, kaya
Yes.
check out na tayo dyan, guys. Wala po siyang noise level, guys, dahil grabe. Operation po itong ating mini fan, guys. Plus,
So hi guys, pauwi na tayo, and right now we're listening to music, Zonara and Tabi. So yes, guys, namin magkasama. Lahat na yung mga napagawaya, tawakan ang aking kamay. Okay. Actually, ginawa ko siya kanina kasi lang bigat ng katawan ko, guys. I need to do diet ulit. So yes, ito sa market. Lalakad kasi mag-gym lang ako ngayon. So yeah, para makatipid tayo kasi around 18 pesos lang ang babayaran ko pag ay sumakto pa dito. Hey, fresh kuya sitting like that. Hey, where I said hey, fresh kuya sitting like that. Tara. So dito ako dumadaan, guys. Medyo maano lang aking kamay, but yes, lalakad ko lang siya from office. So guys, grabe yung night market dito. We're here sa market at maganda siya, diba? Yung market. So probably i-voice over ko siya, guys, kasi yeah, baka maka-copyright tayo. At ang ganda dito, there's lots of things that you can buy here, guys. At a premium quality. No, not that kind of premium. Siguro ang upper quality, ganda, ukay, everyone. But there's a lot of things from here. So this siguro, this is the best level na ukay. So we have here just say na 50 pesos lang. But I don't want to use, or I don't want to, you know, gastos. Tara, lapit na tayo sa sakayan, guys. So, you guys are going to tenement, guys. Pinaka-suggested to talaga, guys, na sumakay kayo dito sa may market kasi 17 pesos lang. Tsaka, for sure, makakasakay talaga kaya unlike naman sa magkantay kayo sa may Bloso. Not Bloso. Uncle John's. So, dito na tayo sa may Ganyan. Probably this is one is pang FTL. Yes, medyo mahaba. Medyo mahaba siya. Yes. Lakad tayo, pinakadulo. Aray ko. Doon tayo. So hi guys, we're back at home. Hi guys, we are back at home. Yeah, nakaintip ako sa gym. So right now, we are here. Back and alive, and I hate so bukas may trabaho ulit tayo. For the next day, wala tayong trabaho. So dyan tayo bibirad lang tulog. But I think I'm gonna sleep for about 10 hours later kasi super effective. Hindi ako nawalan ng energy. Besides with my voice, nawala lang yung voice ko. Siguro napagod na talaga ng ilang araw ang live. So yeah, this is my diaries, guys. So I do not care if you guys want to say anything, Carla. You guys can say anything about it everywhere. I'm just sharing it to you guys kung ano nangyari sa whole day ko as a worker, as a live seller, guys. I hope you guys could watch this all over the video, guys, kasi that would be a big break for me. Lalo sa algorithm natin sa YouTube. So, that's it, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video. Hey guys, busog ako. I really swear, pinilit ko ang sarili ko hindi kumain, pero Dito lang pa ako sinigang. So, yes. Lalayo sa ref. Baka tomorrow, ulamin ko to. Well, wala naman nagbabantay sa akin. Okay natin. Bye guys. Edit mo na ako.